It's Nicole from Cricut. In this series, we're excited to explore the world of stencils using Cricut stencil vinyl. We'll walk through creating 2 stencils in Design Space, one for this jar and one for this spoon. Then we'll demonstrate etching and wood burning using our stencils. You may think creating stencils requires unique skills, but they're actually very much like other vinyl projects. You just need to weed a little differently. We'll talk more about that when we look at our individual projects. There are 2 different types of stencils, single-use and multi-use. Single-use stencils are what we'll focus on in this course. They can have floating pieces and fine details because transfer tape is used to move the stencils to the base, where the stencil adhesive holds them in place. These stencils are good for painting, glass etching, wood burning, and screen printing. Multi-use stencils are made with a thicker material with no adhesive, so they hold up for a longer time and must have simpler, connected designs with no floating pieces. They can be used for things like face painting, cookie and cake decorating, and large-scale or repeat patterns for furniture and walls. In the next video, we'll design and prep our stencils. So let's get started.